Most welcome student on my channel Light of Asia. Eukaryotic genome organization we will continue. Now let's we study about the nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are broadly divided into two parts: purine and pyrimidine. Purine is also further divided into two parts called adenine and guanine. And pyrimidine is also divided into two parts, cytosine and thymine. While uracil is also nitrogenous basis generally used in the RNA structure. Uracil sometimes used instead of adenine. We will discuss the nitrogenous bases one by one. Point number 7, purine. It have only two nitrogenous bases. They are adenine and guanine, as we classified before. So, point number 7.1, structure of adenine and guanine, that is purine. Adenine and guanine collectively called purine. Adenine and guanine are doubled ring structure. Their arrangement shown in figure. You are seeing the structure of purine. Nitrogenous base adenine and guanine. The molecular formula, both the adenine and guanine have a very similar. Only the difference by oxygen group. Let's be clarified and one by one discuss the structure of nitrogenous base as a adenine and as a guanine. The number of carbons, 5, just we are check this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is clear that 5 carbon and hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also clear that why does the nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is clear that the structure have molecular formula carbon 5, hydrogen 5, nitrogen 5, while the valency, check the valency of the nitrogen have valence 3, 1, 2, 3. Is this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, this nitrogen 1, 2, 3. It means nitrogen have 3 valency. All nitrogen here have a valency, correct. While carbon have 4 valency, it is also the count there, 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 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 1, 2, 3, 4. It means all carbon have also the 4 valency, while as you see very clear that 2 ringed structure, adenine is 2 ringed structure fused each other. So same structure here also, the discussion is also here, while not only second time I am discuss, because here is the discuss here, while the little difference here. The guanine structure have a extra carbonyl group. Oxygen have two valency, 1 and 2. It means he bind with 2 bond. While nitrogen have 3 valency, so bond with 3 bond, 1, 2, 3. Here also the carbon have 4, carbon have a 4, carbon have a 4, carbon have a 4, carbon have a 4 bonds. While nitrogen have a 3 bonds, nitrogen have a 3 bonds, nitrogen have a 3 bond, nitrogen have 3 bond, nitrogen have a 3 bond. While it is also the 2 ring fuse each other, it means it is have a very clear that purines are doubled ringed structure. Let's we discuss a very short note about the purine. Number 1, purine is a heterocyclic aromatic organic compound that consists of 2 rings fused together. Because 2 ring are heterocyclic, because ring have contain the carbon nitrogen in the central ring. Carbon and nitrogen, only the carbon in the cycle is known as the homocyclic, while carbon cycle have the nitrogen is also. So therefore called heterocyclic, while the aromatic. We will discuss under the point number 8, difference between adenine and guanine. A general differences. Adenine and guanine. Adenine forms complementary base pair with thymine in DNA and uracil in RNA. As you know, adenine AT, it means adenine thymine base pair connected with double bond, while sometimes in RNA adenine pairing with uracil. So here in this topic, while in guanine forms complementary base pairs with cytosine both in DNA and RNA, while guanine pairing with cytosine with the 3 bond, while adenine with thymine double bond. And point number 2, it has contains a amine group. It means amine group. Group on carbon number 6 in the ring, while the ring is, let's counting start, a general structure. Counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Carbon number 6 have amine group. You can see in the before the structure of adenine and guanine. So while in the guanine it has contained the nitro, it means amino group on the carbon number 2, as you see the structure. Point number 3, it has not carbonyl group, while guanine have carbonyl group. It means carbon double bond carbon, it means oxygen connected with. Point number 4, molecular mass is 135.13 gram prati mole, while the guanine, point number 4, molecular mass is 151.13 gram per mole. And point number 5, solubility in the water is 0.103 gram per mole. in the water, the guanine is insoluble in water, while point number 6, ATP, adenine triphosphate, NAD and FAD serves as energy carriers. It means all the energy molecule carries, while GTP serves as second messenger, while the GTP so serve as the messenger. This is the very simple difference between the adenine and guanine. If you know more, to please add one and increase the difference between the